Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is your English teacher Miss Nabila, and today I am going to explain you a new unit and its name is Seal Appeal. So open your books, page number 19. Seal is a large mammal that eats fish and lives partly in the sea and partly on land or ice. And appeal means be attractive or interesting. So I have some new words for you, and the meaning of number one word is, which is nuisance. It means harm. Grab means catch or snatch. Whiskers mean mustache. Sweep mean brush. Muddy mean full of or covered with mud, and blubber means fat. Seals are large mammals that live in the sea. Most mammals, which include humans, do not lay eggs. Seals can be found in all waters of the world. Seals are large mammals that live in the sea. They are mammals just like humans, and they carry babies until they are ready to be born. We can find seals in all waters, even they can live in coldest water of the world, from Arctic and Antarctic Ocean to tropical waters. Seals store plenty of fat called blubber. Seals can be nuisance to fishermen because they wash to grab fish from nets. They look friendly, but they can also bite. Blubber is a thick layer of fat. It covers the entire body of marine mammals. Seals store fat, which is called blubber. Their blubber keeps them warm and can be used as a source of energy if they can't find food. Seals can be harmful to fishermen because they snatch fish from their nets or from fishing lines. They look innocent and friendly, but they can bite. So swimmers need to be careful when seals are nearby. The seal sweeps its upper lip to and fro, using their whiskers to detect fish in muddy waters. They have flippers for swimming and watering. Seals have a coarse, hairy coat which is very sensitive, and it uses its mustaches to search food. It moves its upper lips continuously, and their mustaches help to search or detect fish even in water which is covered with mud. They use their flippers for swimming in the water. Seals have large round eyes which are able to focus both above and below water. They have an excellent sense of smell and they can hear very well. While swimming, their nostrils are kept tightly shut. Females and pups often call to each other. Seals have large round eyes which helps them to focus both above and below water. Their sense of smell is so powerful, so that's why they detect their predators, their enemies, and females use their sense for recognizing their young ones. When they swim, they shut their nostrils. Seals can smell and also they can hear very well above and below water. Female seals and their young ones often call to each other using different voices. Seals make screams and also murmur underwater. during the breeding season. Seals are able to hold their breath for a long time during dives, using oxygen stored in the blood and muscles as well as the lungs. They can sleep underwater. They can even surface to breath without awakening. Seals dive for 3 minutes at a time, typically, but they can stay underwater as long as 30 minutes and dive as deep as 600 feet. During this time, they take oxygen from their blood, muscles, and lungs, which is already stored. Water is their home, so they can sleep underwater. They come to the surface of water without awakening. This is the whole summary of Unit 4. Thank you very much.